everyone, my name is Tamariska. I'm from grade 7 Liberty. So today I'm gonna make bakpao. So the first ingredients are flour, 250 grams. The second ingredient is butter, 1 spoon. The third ingredient is sugar, 2 spoons. The fourth ingredient is salt. It's a half of spoon tea. There are yeast also, 5 grams. It's 5 grams. There are chocolates and chocolate chips. It's up to you how much the amount is. And there are also 150 milliliter. And there are also this cup. First, we put the flour first. Then you put the yeast, 5 grams in the flour. Then you mix it up. Then you put the salt. You put the salt in. You stir it, you put the sugar and the water in the dough. Then you stir it again. After you stir it like this, to make it easier, make sure you use hands. And make sure your hand is clean. Then you mix it up. After you mix it up like this, use hand. I will put it in my table, but for me, I use plastic wrap so my table is clean. But it's okay if you don't want to use plastic wrap, but make sure your table is clean. Then you put it here. Okay. After you put the dough here, put the button in the dough. Then you mix it up again. To make sure it mixed well, make sure you use 2 hands. You can use 2 hands. This means it's already mixed perfectly. Now, time to divide it. Okay, after this, we gotta divide it. So, this first. So we make it become so long. So long. Okay. Then I want to divide it. Each is 45 grams. Okay, so we already divided. So for me, I make it 45 grams. 45 each. Okay, then we're gonna make it become circle. First, we make it like this. Then we do that. Make sure to make the other dog like this. Okay, after you do this, then you gotta put the chocolate. Okay, so first you take the dog to put the chocolate. So you're gonna make it like this. Like this. Okay, then you take one of the chocolate. Take one of the chocolate. After you make it like this. take the choco chips. And put it up here so it becomes pink. You gotta put the choco chip at the top. You also can make it more than one. But for this time, I just gonna make it one choco chips. Okay, so this is done. Then we put it in here. All of it in, close it, and wait for 20 minutes or more until it becomes double big than the size. After 20 minutes or more, the dough will be like this, and it's ready to be steamed. But before that, we're gonna cover this close, so when it's steamed, we don't have to water, and the water not gonna go to the bakpao. Now we gonna We're gonna wait for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we're gonna turn this off. But we can't really take the cap off because the bakpao will be regret if we directly take it off. So we're gonna wait for 1 minute. After 1 minute, we already can take this off and see the final product. So this is the final product. This already ready to be served. We're gonna wait it till it's not really hot. Okay, now we're gonna review the taste of the bakpao. And this is the final results. First of all, we already wash our hands. So delicious.